Gold!
Oh, I thought you said no.
No, I said gold! On the gold digger.
Got it, buddy? Yeah, man. All right.
What's up?
Fucker popped right out as soon as it hit the net.
I marked that too.
Gold digger.
Forward and to the left. Slowly. You guys brace. I'm going into gear. So I'm turning.
Go left.
I am. You want that weight rod lifted up?
Over in this side, check.
Ooh, beauty. Keep her in the water. That's a beauty. Oh. Oh.
Gold delicious.
Oh. What are the size of that? That's a good one, Chad.
Oh, no. Hold on, stay right there. Don't move. Keep going.
I want to keep her pinned. She's got 2 hooks in her. She's good. Oh. That's a nice one.
Bring that camera right down and show them what's in the thing.
I gotta turn us here. Gold-delicious, baby. Nice. WNC Reapers. Nice. Walleye.
Do that again. Going like 1 mile an hour, if that. Oh. You're alright, Jay. Look at that. Oh! That's a giant.
That's my PB. That's my PB. That is my fucking
I'm going into.
Oh man,
that's
my PB. That's gonna be over 30, dude. That is going mounted.
Oh my lord.
That is definitely my PB.
Get that phone, let's see what's in its mouth.
Holy shit!
Get that phone, let's see what's in its mouth. Oh, that is a giant.
How's
You
that
sure
driving,
you want that
boy?
one now?
No, Jay. That's what it's about.
Oh, we gotta get a measurement on
Wow.
Okay. That's a giant.
That is a hog
that. That's
fish.
my personal best for
Oh
sure.
my God. No.
Jay, you
Spawned
were
out.
that kid.
If that thing was pre-spawn, that's probably a 12-pounder, I'd say. You think? Over 10 if it was.
Oh
I'll grab
my
it.
God. I'm so happy you got that, brother. Oh man.
The size of that walleye.
Beast.
That one might
That's
be
a
going to the wall.
beast, Jay. You have to. How you like them driving skills, boys, eh?
37 feet. Yes. Closing in on that limit. Old Cam needs to get his hands warmed up.
30.
Oh yeah.
Hogan. 10.
Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh. God. Did you see that swirl? That's a dandy too. Custom. My bad, I'll get that right out of there. That's a nice one.
Fuck yeah. Oh, that's the custom.
Custom. All right, I'm going back to speed.
Okay, shut the camera off.
All right.
There it goes. Okay, cut me to the left, Cat. Here she comes.
You mean
Looks like a walleye.
you mean the right?
That's a walleye. I think we got one right here.
You mean the right? Cut you to the right.
That's a walleye. I think we got one right here. Big walleye. Neutral, Cat. He looked really good. That's a big walleye. We got one right here.
It's neutral, buddy.
We got him. And that in the bucket.
Fucking jumping in already.
Look what we got here, boys.
We did, I think.